Today I'm going to be showing you how to remove the third row seats from a 2004 Toyota Sienna. That's what I have here, but this should work exactly the same for the entire second generation, which was from 2004 to 2010. Let's do it. The first thing to do is to put the seats in the upright position. Then you're going to want to pry up the two pieces of plastic at the base. Those two pieces of plastic are held in place with small white plastic clips. You're probably going to break some as you pull up the larger plastic pieces, but that's okay. You can buy more and they just slide in. Once the plastic covers are off, you'll see 4 bolts holding the two sections of the seats in place. But these aren't the only bolts that hold the seats in place. There are 2 more bolts that you can access by pulling the seats down. They're behind the seats and they hold 2 wires in place. The best way to access these bolts is from inside the van. I used a 12mm socket wrench to get those 2 bolts out. Once the 2 bolts are out, the wires will still be attached. You need to wiggle the base of the wires a little bit, and then these metal pieces pop out. Once the wires are unattached, go around to the back of the van and put the seats back in the upright position. Next, you'll want to remove the 4 bolts that you uncovered earlier. I used the same 12mm socket wrench. Don't forget to pet your cat while you do this. Once those 4 bolts are removed, just fold the seats down and lift them out. Congratulations, you have removed the third row seats from your Toyota Sienna.